Thank you so much for joining us on the telecast. Shifting our focus to some news coming in from the national capital. The accused in the attack case of Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta, Rajesh Khimji, has been sent to 5-day police remand as per the latest information. This comes after he was reportedly presented before the magistrate late last night itself due to security reasons. Joining me on the telecast is Arzu Seth. Arzu, take us through the details in terms of the accused being in police custody as well.
Well, definitely, the accused Rajesh Khimji, who attacked Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta during a public hearing, has been taken into 5-day police custody, and he was presented in front of the duty magistrate late night due to the security reason, and now he has been taken to the 5-day police custody, and now the police will investigate the entire matter and the incident, why such incident happened. The attack occurred, on Wednesday morning at the CM Rekha Gupta's residence in the civil lines, where she used to take the Jan Sabha, where she used to meet the public and listen to their grievances. And at the same time, men attacked Rekha Gupta. So definitely Rajesh Khimji is from the Rajkot, Gujarat, and has a criminal background record with 5 cases registered against him. So that can clearly be seen. He is not a clear person. He has a criminal record. Khimji approached CM Rekha Gupta during the Jan Sunwai, handed her some paper and also attacked her. CM Gupta suffered minor injuries to her shoulders and the head. Also, Delhi police have registered a case of attempt to murder against the Rajesh Khimji, and police, is investigating if the attack was planned conspiracy, because Rajesh Khimji, the accused, can clearly be seen, doing recce of the chief minister, how he in fact reached the Shalimar Bagh house of the CM Rekha Gupta. So definitely he was keeping eye on the chief minister. He was, knowing about the chief minister, and all of a sudden, taking out one particular day, he went as a normal person to to talk to the chief minister regarding the issue, and then he attacked the chief minister. So now police will question a lot of things regarding the incident that happened, the attack that happened on the chief minister, as more persons are involved in this, or what was the motive behind this attack. So there are a lot of questions that needs to be answered by accused Rajesh Khimji. Yes.
All right, Arzu, thank you so much for joining us on the telecast. Meanwhile, some